Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a keyboard making deep noise when typing in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility, go to your scroll down and go to your keyboard, and after that turn off these sticky keys, turn off filter keys and toggle keys. So turn off these keys, sticky, filter and toggle. Make sure that is turned off it. After that close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After that, select a keyboard and select a specific keyboard and select the update driver and click on search automated from drivers and click on a search for update driver on Windows Update. So after that, check the updates, and if any update red is available, then Windows automatically detect and download and install in your PC. So it's required of a few seconds to check the updates. Now you can see that further updates is available, so download and install in your PCs. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After that, go to your keyboard, select the keyboard, right click, go to your properties, go to your power management, and after doing this, that uncheck the allow computer to turn off this device on power saving mode. So in my cases, it's automatically hide. So if check it, then uncheck it. Okay, click on OK button and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.